Hey guys, welcome to How It's Designed, and in this beginner SolidWorks tutorial, we're just going to cover the swept cut feature. I'm going to show you using this pistol receiver part. We are going to perform a swept cut explanation because these corners for where you hold the gun, it's a little sharp. So let's use a swept cut to kind of mellow out this turn here. So the first thing we need is our closed profile sketch. So we're going to go ahead and draw on this face here, this bottom face. We're going to use 2 points. We'll place one here, and we'll place one down here. Now we'll do an arc. Something like that. Zoom in a little bit. And now we can kind of trace a closed loop using these lines. All right. Now we have that profile sketched there. We're going to go ahead and sketch on this face now. Go ahead and connect it here and then here so that it intersects our line here on the other sketch. And we will use a spline to then start coming out of this line here away from the part. All right, so now we're going to go to the swept cut feature. For our profile, we're going to select our sketch 63. Our path is going to be here. And then it'll give us the preview. And we can hit OK. So you see how this flatten the corner nice here to make it more of what we want. So that's just one example of a swept cut. There's many others. This is just for beginners getting started with the feature. Be on the lookout for more SolidWorks tutorials on this channel, so go ahead and subscribe, and on my website howitsdesigned.com. And we'll see you next time.